and plane disappears off the radar.
Plane just disintegrated.
Systems. Bank angle.
We lost the plane. Basically everything is crucial at this point. We need every evidence we can, read every newspaper, everything, and describe any propaganda. Off the table. Event is before I will stay in the history of archipelago.
June 19, 2023. And purple carrier flight just took off 12 minutes ago.
Good to be completing another turn there. Yeah. Just took off 12 minutes
And it
ago.
just completed its little turn. The air traffic controller gives them instructions.
Carrier 456 direct to Lao Tango Romeo. Flight level 084. Purple carrier 456 direct to Lao Tango Romeo. Flight level 084. Thank you. No problem.
The plane is directed to an unusual checkpoint.
But this is just normal, although it's just unusual to put sometimes in these kind of checkpoints like Lao Tango Romeo. I mean, it's just that there's sometimes risky things like military aircraft going above like Lao Tango Romeo is used for many military aircraft going over. But at this time it was pretty calm. No training sessions were done. So it's just normal.
The pilots are now at the checkpoint.
Oh look, there it goes. We are right. Yeah. Seems like it. We are right at the checkpoint.
The lights in the cockpit start flickering.
The lights are flickering. Oh.
The lights fix themselves, but suddenly.
Well.
The plane starts to disintegrate.
Systems.
It falls out of the sky.
Bank angle.
The pilots
Bank.
don't know what's happening. They try to
Bank.
control the plane.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Stall systems damaged.
The first officer faints.
Stall synchrony. Stall synchrony. Stall. Stall. Bank angle. Stall. Stall. Bank angle.
456 to read.
Stall. Synchrony. Single. Bank angle. Bank angle. Stall. Sync stall. Sync bank angle. System. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank rate. Bank angle. Up. Sync bank angle.
The captain is witnessing the end.
Bank angle. Pull. Bank angle. Pull. Up. Systems. Damage.
You've lost the plane. What? You've lost the plane. Flight 456. It's gone.
The plane crashes near Terminus Airport into the Termanian Ocean. There are no survivors. All of the passengers and crew on board are dead.
This was a pretty heartbreaking action and a devastating one. And we all feel sorry for the families. So this was truly a horrifying crash.
An investigation is launched on the following minutes
There
of
we
the
go.
crash. The investigators interview
Yes,
people
in a way.
who saw the crash.
So tell me a bit clearer. So there was this one piece that came off, yeah? What? Or I saw one piece fly. Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry for, don't worry about the confusion. I saw this one piece fly into it, Then the back section of the aircraft flew out. Alright. Then it started rolling a bit right, like this. While it was shifting. Alright. Then the right wing flew out. Alright. Then the plane spiraled and hit the ocean. Alright, thank you. It be a missile. And something was flying towards the aircraft.
Could it be a missile?
If it's a missile, then we need some debris to probe it, so we have to send a diver team. Oh boy, this might take a long time.
The investigators send a diver team to recover debris. It only takes 4 hours. But the investigators notice something alarming.
Just put it in. That's strange. This guy is good. That's not structural failure. It's not what causes a one. Seems like a explosion.
It supports the missile theory, but not for long.
Still doesn't look like normal. Got this. It's the electric backup, and that's the other one backup, but we focus here, it seems like something was flying towards this. But this just looks like it's scratched. But this one here. This does not look like a missile hit this. This looks like an explosion of some sort. Should have come from this way, and the hole should be bigger if a missile hit it. This pattern should not exist.
Could have a bomb downed Flight 456.
By every moment and more. It looks to be a lot more possible. Every second. We have to trace the explosives. Who snuck on that sneaky bomb? But how did it even go through security? And who made it?
The FBI and the investigators team up to trace the explosives.
The explosives burned in the toilet. They were in a weird secured department. How could it be? Well, what we know, this is a crime. When crimes are committed, stakes are high. We must find the people behind this. Yes, you got it. And what kind of bomb could it be? Big or small? Or just enough to sneak it in?
The bomb was stored in a compartment. It made it impossible to find. But who made it? And put it in?
Here's our plan. You remember what you do, Jack? You take 2 of these, you need them. You're a ground crew member. You can take these 2. Put them into the compartment. And then in the air, boom! We will finally get our victory. Go! This is the FIB. Sir, open the door. This is the FIB. We have a few things to say. We'll use force if you don't open the door. Jeroen? So who's there now? I'm coming to open the door.
After a brutal fight, the person behind this gives up. He surrenders. The person who got the bomb into the plane was sentenced to 2 years in prison. He will be released on April 30, 2025. While the person who made the bomb was sentenced to 20 years in prison. The 2 people behind this were charged with manslaughter, murder and homicide. They were also said to pay $1 million. The families of the victims got $2,500. The bodies of the victims were never revealed to the public. Same story with the CVR and FDR data.